Hi folks, welcome back to our channel. I'm Joe Ferranti Gennaro,
And I'm Delina.
and we are going to go over some additional cost and permitting involved with doing work in a high-rise condo. So you've been to some of our condo projects, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And you can see the work that's involved with taking a kitchen out just like in a house. However, whenever we're in a condo like that, we need additional drawings.
Mm-hmm.
So your list does you need additional drawings signed by an architect. So that's something you don't necessarily need in a house, but in a high-rise condo you need additional drawings.
Even if you're just doing something in the interior?
Usually it is just the
just
interior.
Oh,
yes.
So
yeah.
Always.
Usually in a condo it's just the interior that
Mm-hmm.
we're doing the renovation in. So in Tampa you would need additional drawings, and then you're also going to need to have the building regulations, which adds a whole nother level of paperwork
Mm-hmm.
and insurance cost to your project. So those would be, each building would have when you can park, where you can park, time frame when you can work, when you have to be out of the building, what areas you can set up in. Sometimes inside of a high-rise condo, we have to set up a plastic barrier in the middle of the condo so that we can use a saw.
Oh.
You know,
Yeah.
because they don't have a balcony,
Right.
or they say you can't work on the balconies.
Right.
So then we have to build like a little cocoon for us to
Mhm.
work in, like for like a
Okay.
chop saw or like a wet saw to cut tile.
And now how do you get your equipment and all that up to the high rise?
So then a lot of condos, high-rise condos, you have to take the elevator on a schedule. So you're scheduling with people that are moving in and out.
Mhm.
So you usually have to reserve the elevator. So that's an additional
Mhm.
step. So what most people don't realize is when you're doing a renovation project in a condo, the cost you're adding in Tampa is about 20 to 30% if you were remodeling in somebody's house. So our average kitchen starts around $50,000,
Mhm.
and that would be in a house. So if you're remodeling a kitchen in a high-rise condo, it's going to be 20 to 30% more than that.
More.
Yeah.
And time-wise, is it a little bit longer because of all the regulations?
Yes, a little bit longer. We usually only can start at 9 o'clock, and we have to stop by 4 o'clock, maybe 5
Mhm.
o'clock in the afternoon. So your time frame of work gets pressed down. One of the things people don't think of is that if you're up there working and your tools are in your truck,
Yeah, so I was like, that's what I was like, how do you get them up there?
they're not 20 feet away.
Uh-uh.
You know, it could be 45 minutes getting all your tools up there.
And what about when you demo? What do you do with this? I mean, how do you get this stuff?
That's a good question. So the demos would go into a cart. So
Mhm.
you're gonna have to break everything down to cart size.
Down the elevator?
Back down the elevator.
Oh,
Every trip down to the dumpster, back up in the
That's a
elevator.
lot,
Yeah. All the boxes, the cabinets would have to be broke down to smaller
Okay.
sizes. Yeah, it can add quite a bit
Mhm.
of time, which is basically cost
Right.
for a remodeling project. Well, folks, thank you for watching this show. Go to our Tampa Kitchen and Bath website and also visit our social media sites.
Bye.